Hey there, and welcome back to Nail Chronicle. This week I'm featuring a haul or unboxing video for Hit the Bottle nail polish. I'm currently separated from my main collection, so I thought I just would get some more nail polish so that I could actually do some nail stamping because I am really missing it. So I picked up a bunch of polishes and a couple of stamping plates and a stamper as well, of course, and I thought I'd just see how we go and sort of start from there. I didn't want to get too much and duplicate too much because I have got some stuff already, but just wanted to get something so that I could get back to some nail stamping. So this first plate I picked up is a Walking Dead Game of Thrones plate. It's really cool. I'm not so much on the Walking Dead side, it's okay, but I really love Game of Thrones, so can't wait to use that one. The second plate I got, this is the ginormous, this biggest plate I've ever seen, and I've never had one this big. I normally get the sort of rectangle ones that you just saw. So this has got some really cool coffee images, as like donuts, desserts, so it'd be a really fun one to play with. And then I also picked up some dotting tools as well, so I use this for my reverse stamping. There's the same ones that I've got back in my main collection, and a smudge-free top coat. So this is the one that I'm going to open up first. So it'd be interesting to see how this compares to the Monology one, and if it's just as good, because the Monology one is pretty awesome. So it'd be interesting to do that comparison and see how it turns out. It looks pretty good, but we'll see. And also I did have trouble getting my camera to focus. I'm using my phone and I'm typically using a sort of separate camera, so please bear with me while I'm trying to do that. Alright, moving on to the more exciting colours that we all know we want to see. So here I've got a yellow and a black, and the black is a pigmented polish. I'll have to look up a little bit more details about how to use it. There was a little instruction piece of paper in the box, so that's really cool. So I'll have to wrap my head around the special technique for this one so I can get the best results. The second one is this gorgeous yellow. Normally I wouldn't get a yellow polish, but I think I could use this in some nail art or nail stamping and it'll look really cool. I did buy the colours as a like a collection set, so I just got what was included in the set, and it had a good variety of colours, which is why I picked it. Next up we have this really beautiful lilac kind of light purple. I have a couple of purples like this at home, but not in the stamping format, and more in like just normal nail polish, so that would be really cool to see. I do have a bit of a pink kind of stamping polish, or deeper purple, but not that shade. This blue is also gorgeous, and just it's a really nice pastel colour, so I'm really looking forward to actually having the opportunity to stamp with these shades and seeing how it turns out. Next up we have a cute pink, and I'm not normally a huge fan of pinks just in general, but I actually don't mind that one. It's kind of nice, and especially next to the really nice blue as well. So I'm excited to see like all the different blues that I've got and try them out. And then we have, last but not least, is this pink and green, and I have to say, well, first up the pink. So this is more of like, it doesn't show on the camera, but it is kind of more of a peach kind of colour. So it's just, yeah, nice and sort of pastel. And then this gorgeous green. This green is my favourite out of the set. I love it. I can't wait to use that one. It's probably going to be one of the first I use, depending on what design I end up doing. And lastly, I picked up this little grabber. I didn't really need it, I just picked it up because it meant that I could get free shipping, and I thought it would be kind of useful, and so it does look like it would be quite handy. Anyway, so that's all we've got for this nail polish unboxing. I hope you enjoyed the video, and let me know what you think in the comments. What is your favourite polish? So don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and I'll see you next week. Thank you. Bye.